Hello friends, welcome to Simple Mechatronics. In the previous video, the Slim boat is controlled using a keypad. Now, the keypad is to replaced by a joystick to control the Slim boat. So, the fifth inversion of the Slim boat is making wireless joystick control. In the keypad transmitter board, the 4 input pins shall be disconnected from the keypad and receive the code from the joystick. So, 4 op amps are used here to convert analog codes from joystick to digital codes required by the encoder IC. So, the keypad is disconnected from transmitter board. Then, a suitable PCB is selected for joystick circuit. Then, plan for positioning the joystick. And 2 IC bases for 8-pin ICs. To have 4 op amps, 2 numbers of dual op amp ICs, LM358 are used to get 4 digital outputs. The 2 analog pins of joystick are connected to 2 inputs of op amps. A 5 volts regulator circuit is used as power supply. The input and output pins may be interchanged to get correct movement of the Slim boat. The outputs of the op amps are connected to the encoder IC. There is no change in the encoder, HT12E, and RF transmitter module circuit. So, from 9 volts battery, to step down to 5 volts, 7805 IC is used, as shown in the circuit diagram. Now, the 7805 IC is soldered on the PCB, with 9 volts battery clip, and other connections. These are the IC bases for 2 op amp ICs. Now, join the joystick board and transmitter board, as shown here. Then, connect power supply and other connections. Then, outputs of 4 op amps are to be connected to 4 inputs of encoder IC. Now, insert both the LM358 amp ICs in the IC bases, one by one. Normally, the joystick has 5 side pin connections. So, 5-pin Berg strip is soldered at the bottom of the joystick for conveniently assemble on the PCB. After proper positioning the joystick on the PCB, 1 or 2 screws are used to lock the other end of the joystick with a sleeve in between. Then, nuts are to be used for proper locking of the joystick. Then, the transmitter board is placed on a supporting plate with a 9 volts battery. Now, switch on the power supply to the transmitter board. Then, connect an LED to ground with a series resistor. Now, check the analog outputs of the joystick, one by one, by tilting the knob of the joystick. Please press like button if you liked this video. Subscribe Simple Mechatronics for access to more projects. And share with your friends about Simple Mechatronics. Then, check the 4 digital outputs, one by one, from the op amp ICs. Now, connect the 4 digital outputs to the 4 inputs of the encoder IC, using jumper wires. Then, insert the RF transmitter module in the Berg strip on the PCB. Use antenna for higher signal strength. Now, the transmitter board is ready. The receiver circuit diagram is same as keypad receiver circuit, and there is no difference in the Slim boat also. Now, test the Slim boat. Interchange the connections of jumper wires for correct direction of the Slim boat movement if required. Then, solder the 4 connections after removing the jumper wires, as shown here. Now, you can control the Slim boat using a joystick conveniently, without using any microcontroller. Now, test the circuit board. In the next video, the Slim boat is controlled by simple hand gestures, without any microcontroller. Thanks for watching the video. More explanation and circuits are available at Simple Mechatronics website. Links for other projects are available at description below. Bye friends, see you in the next video.